give us soft things with every hand with you. Selflessly exploit themselves for real. Cryptic signs used for the sea that never did. Only every time try easily forgive.
Come on. I mean, it's not rubbish, is it?
Today will consist of a little bit of admin, a little bit of editing, and then we've actually got plans this evening. Should be able to finish off this Christmas film today. Pretty much there, just needs grading and the sound design doing. So once I finish cutting and edit, I then go through and add ambient sound just to kind of flesh it out. So for example, shots of us walking, I might have the sound of shoes on the ground, I might add some birds tweeting, that kind of thing, just to add to the feel for the viewer of actually being there. And then I just need to colour grade it, so just going through and adjusting all the colours of every shot and adding a stylistic look, and then we'll be done. So our plans tonight are we're doing an interactive, immersive crime, drama, scavenger hunt thing where they like text you clues, and we're doing it over FaceTime with some friends of ours. So feels like we're socialising. We've actually put real clothes on for the first time in what feels like a year.
Okay, don't worry, I'm going to send you an initial briefing and I'll keep you in the loop, alright? So I'll be in touch. Welcome to the team.
Can I make a gin actually?
Oh, bloody hell, we've got a case to solve.
Sure,